New Render Engine. In ZW3D 2024, we introduced a new render engine to help enhance display efficiency. With this new technology, we can rotate, zoom, or move large assemblies very smoothly. And also we can operate instantly on large components with plenty of dense toolpaths. Let's check it out. In this assembly, there are more than 30,000 components. It is very smooth to rotate to view. Let's zoom in to check details. It operates without any lag. Now, let's switch to CAM. This is a mold part. Let's check the size. The length is 900 millimeters. The width is the same. And there are plenty of dense toolpaths shown here. Let's rotate to check the toolpath. Very quickly. Hide this operation, it responds instantly. We can check it in 2023. As you can see, parts at this level are already starting to lag. From above we can see, the new render engine brings ZW3D display efficiency to a new level, which means we can support much larger assembly and part machining in ZW3D 2024.